Hey everyone, in this video, I'll be discussing the top 5 AI tools similar to ChatGPT. GPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a natural language processing model that can generate human-like text from a prompt. It's a powerful tool for creating conversational agents and for analyzing natural language. But there are a lot of other AI tools out there that are similar to GPT, so in this video, I'll be showing you the best ones and talking about how they can be used. So stay tuned to find out which ones made the list. Welcome to our channel Uncover Information. I'm here to share my passion for facts, tech information, and history. On this channel, you'll find videos about a wide range of topics, from ancient civilizations to modern-day science. I'm excited to explore these fascinating topics together and learn something new. So join me as we embark on this journey and let's uncover top AI tools. Notion AI. It is a powerful artificial intelligence platform that enables businesses to automate workflows and quickly leverage the power of AI to improve customer service and streamline operations. Notion AI is very much similar to ChatGPT, but it's specifically used for writing notes. You can use Notion AI for generating bullet points, or it can help you in generating a full blog post for your blogging website or for your clients. You can brainstorm ideas with it about any word or topic. You can brainstorm ideas related to your YouTube channel content, or it can brainstorm new ideas for you to include in your content. Synthesia. It is basically an AI narrator tool that can help in compiling videos of someone talking. Text. ChatGPT can now create a text for you, and this tool can help you build your own YouTube channel. You just need to generate text and put in Synthesia, and boom, you have a complete video now using this AI. This tool is a game changer for YouTubers as they have a bunch of avatars, and the plus point is they work in multiple languages. Adobe Podcast. The Adobe Podcast AI tool is a natural language processing (NLP) tool that helps podcast creators and editors produce better audio quality. It uses machine learning to detect and remove background noise, add clarity and focus, and improve the overall sound of a podcast. It is a powerful tool that can help improve the quality of a podcast and make it easier to listen to. Similar to Chatbot GPT, the Adobe Podcast AI tool is designed to help podcast creators and editors better produce and edit audio content. It uses natural language processing to detect and remove background noise, add clarity, and improve the overall sound of a podcast. It can also help with mastering the audio, adding effects, and creating a more professional sounding production. Let's listen an example of a sound with and without enhanced sound, and you will see the results in a while.
I'm in a conference room with the window open, and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place to record audio, yet with enhanced speech, all of the background noise and echo is gone, as if I recorded this in a professional studio. I'm in a conference room with the window open, and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place to record audio, yet with enhanced speech, all of the background noise and echo is gone, as if I recorded this in a professional studio.
So you have listened both the audios, and with a single click, you saw the magic of AI tool. Next in list is SoundRaw AI tool, and this tool generates music and sounds, and is for all the YouTubers like me who need a good background music for their every YouTube video. I'm sure this will help every single one out there. Let's check out and listen some of the music example here on the website. So cool. And now, when you came here, by clicking on the Create Music, the first on the upper left, you can select how long you want the song to be. Then you have the option to select the tempo of the music, and then you select the mode. Now here are the results of numbers of music generated based on the results you have selected. Download whatever you liked and enjoy the music. Next in the list is NVIDIA Broadcast, and this AI tool is really amazing, and the best part of this tool is it will allow you to talk to camera, but not physically look at it, and NVIDIA AI will updating your eye to look at the camera or screen no matter you are physically watching somewhere else, or in a Zoom meeting, you're looking at the other monitor screen. Isn't it really amazing feature? It can also do other things like video noise removal, audio background noise removal, It can also use to remove background of your videos entirely without using the green screen and auto-frame your face if you're moving your videos a lot. It's one of those tools that are completely free. So these are the 5 AI tools that you can use along with ChatGPT to minimize the workload, and it will help you do the work quickly. Hope you like the video and get some new information. If you really like, leave a thumbs up for us and share the channel and video with your loved ones, and we will see you next week in another video.